What is up guys, this is Jay here and welcome to yet another video of Tricky Solution. And in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create poll in a Facebook group. And very first process, you have to go your Facebook account and then you have to go to the group in which you want to create poll. Suppose I want to create poll in this group. Here you can see the three options: live, photo and poll. Then tap on poll with which word you want to make a poll. Then just first write the question. Suppose I want to ask the question, which bike you want to buy. And then I just write the first option here, Yamaha R15. Then I want to put the next option, second option. Then here you have to tap on done. Then here you will get the another option. And suppose I want to add second option, CBR 150. And then I want to add another option, and suppose Yamaha MT 15. And this is the way how you can create poll. And then you have to post your poll. And here you can see the poll it has already created. And there is another way how you can create poll. Then another way is just tap on write something. Then here you have to scroll down, then tap on poll, and this is the another way how you can create poll. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys like my video, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to share with your friends. Thank you.